said that YouTube has been oversaturated with content creators. So let's talk about that for just a moment. I'm Eddie and I want you to be a YouTube success. Take a look at this video. Notice that there are a lot of people in white shirts and straw hats that are selling product to tourists. It can be anything from flotation devices, blankets, hats, sunglasses, anything that they think that tourists will buy. You would think that this area is oversaturated with vendors. They're not even close. Otherwise, there wouldn't be so many of them. Same thing goes with YouTube. Yes, there are a lot of content creators out there. However, they're not all making the same type of content. They're also not the same type of content creators. What that means is that you as a content creator can make content that's going to be different than anything else that's out there, giving you an opportunity to be a brand new content creator and giving you an opportunity to grow as a content creator on YouTube. Let's take a quick look at YouTube to see what makes it so unique and different that other social media platforms don't have. The first part of it is going to be the variety that they have as far as content. They have long and short video options. The long format videos like the one that you're looking at right now are very useful for anybody who wants a long-term entertainment. The shorts or short-term video format is going to be great if you just want to scroll through a whole bunch of things quickly and get through them for a variety of reasons. And you can do that as a channel by itself, making that kind of format, or you can use it as a long form format. You can utilize the shorts to help your channel grow by putting shorts out there for promotional reasons or to carry your channel in a different way. Another thing that's very unique about YouTube is the amount of information that is on YouTube. For example, having long format videos that have instructions on exactly how to make long format videos. They've been out there for a while. You've got content creators that have been making videos for a long time that have the experience, and then they turn around and teach new YouTubers. Other social medias do have educational forums, but nothing compared to the long format videos that YouTube has. You can actually watch YouTube channels and YouTube videos on other social medias and how to make them grow. Not only is it growing in the viewers that are watching YouTube every day, it's growing in the amount of people that are content creating for YouTube every day. That means you're just another number in the increase on who's making videos. If they can be successful, so can you. Here's something else to consider. Right now, children are more interested in becoming YouTubers than doctors or policemen. So it's a continuously growing field with a continuously growing expected audience. You can become a YouTuber now and pave the way for the children that are going to be YouTube stars in the future. There's no real reason not to make YouTube content except that you don't know how. And you can watch YouTube videos on how to make YouTube content. So now's the time to start. Long story short is, if you're interested in starting a YouTube channel, you really need to do it. I hope this helps. Make sure you hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell for notifications so I can continue to help you be a YouTube success.